Let's take a look now at how to trade Alibaba stock, all sessions on the IG platform. Alibaba's had the second blow to its stock in a week as Japanese telecoms company SoftBank indicated its intention to sell at least $7.9 billion in Baba stock. It's a small chunk of SoftBank's $65 billion stake in the company overall. But just last week, you'll remember on the 25th of May, the Securities and Exchange Commission said that it would launch a probe into the reporting of data from Alibaba's Singles Day last year and its consolidation policies and practices and related party transactions. But of course, don't forget as well, to a backdrop to this on Alibaba's stock, another potential sell-off may still happen as Yahoo is looking to potentially exit its $31 billion stake in Alibaba shares. Let's take a look at the chart. First of all, we'll take a look at the the hourly chart. Alibaba stock trading at 78.68 at the moment. Today's move on a daily chart is not really there to be seen in any great number, bearing in mind this big candle that we saw last week where we saw that drop on the SEC probe. Let's move from a daily chart to give you some sort of context on the hourly movement. And you can see here quite clearly that big drop that we saw on the 25th of May last week when that probe came to light with that statement, that filing that Alibaba felt it had to make about the probe into what happened on Singles Day. Since then, we've seen the stock recover, and it hits this level at 78.42.5, which is significant for today's move. This is the hourly chart that we've got seen since the news this morning broke that SoftBank was intending to sell this chunk of stock. These are the moves that we've seen. There's been a little bit of consolidation just above the 78.42, which has been a good support level for Alibaba. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little bit of a bounce on from here. This is about half an hour before trade gets underway on Wall Street on this Wednesday trading session. This candle that's developing here, the most recent candle, is a doji, indicating potentially there could well be a turnaround in the stock move. So watch possibly for some unwinding of this drop that we've seen. The stock is very nearly oversold on the RSI at the bottom here. So potentially upside. If it does go up, look there for it to retrace potentially all the way back to its $80 level, which is where the stock was fairly comfortable at for the last day or so. But the support level at 78.42, which is this line here, which has previously been support and resistance.